lead gen on Facebook is actually one of my favorite things to do inside of Facebook advertising. Since they introduced the new tool where you can actually just collect whatever information you're trying to collect inside of the ad itself, it's just been super fun to use and really, really effective. So here's how to set that up.
I can tell by the hustle, I can tell by the blood, I can tell by the glisten. A child can't understand. I used to see you like a stranger, but now I'm grown and I know you the man.
Alright, so just navigate to your ads manager. And then we're going to create a new campaign. And then down here, you want to select lead generation. Give that a click. Click set up account. Continue. Okay, and then as you might have seen as this was loading, right here it says we found one error, terms of service not accepted. So you just need to make sure and accept the terms of service for lead generation here on Facebook. So in order to accept the terms of service, just come up here to page, and then it'll give you this little box where you can click view terms. Click I agree. And now you can proceed with setting up the rest of your lead gen ad. So custom audience, I'm gonna leave that blank. I guess I'll throw English in here. I'm not really gonna set this up, I'm not really gonna go through and actually do the targeting. If you wanna see how to do targeting and all of that, go watch my previous video on targeting and how to set all this up, but I'm just gonna skip through here for now and show you how to just set up the lead gen part. So same as with setting up regular ads, you get to choose single image, video, slideshow, or carousel. So just so we can see the ad preview working, I'm gonna bring in an image real fast. And we'll just use this Instagram icon. Okay. And so here you've got the option to enter text. So don't put this as your text, but just for example's sake, alright, you can see how that populates over here. Our text comes up top right here, and this is our header, and then you can change the call to action button if you'd like. Sign up, subscribe, whatever it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it as sign up, and then come down here, and this is where we set up the lead form. So click create new form, and right here we need to select the form type. And you have two options, more volume or higher intent. This is forms here, quicker to fill out and everything, so we're gonna do that. And then you can, you can see the preview form over here on the right. So this is what it looks like. You've got the image that you selected right here, and then we can put in some headline text that your page will show right here, and then underneath that, you can put in some headline text. You can change this line, and then right here, email, full name, and we can change all of this, which we're gonna do right now. So let's click here on intro, and headline is, we're gonna go with email please. Image, we're gonna use the image from the ad that we inputted. If you wanna do a different one, you can upload that right there, and you can put whatever you want right here. I'm just gonna put a placeholder that says I want your email address. And then let's click on questions. And then this is what, right here under user information, we can click show more options, and you can collect all of this information if you want. I personally, the most I've ever used is email and full name, and I even like to do just email, so it makes it really simple for people. They don't have to plug in too much information. It's just a quick, here's my email, submit, and they're done. Doesn't take them longer than a few seconds at all. Custom questions if you want to add that in there. Alright, and then moving on to the next one, privacy policy right here. You need to link to a privacy policy. Facebook requires this. So link text, you could say this is our privacy policy, and link URL. So right here you need to put the URL of that links to your privacy policy. So let's just say www.privacypolicy.com/privacy policy. Okay, and then thank you screen. So this is once they've inputted their email and clicked submit, this is the thank you screen that they get. You see the preview over here. and you can change this text around. So where it says thanks, you're all set, we could change that, I don't know, to sign up received. And then right here you can say we will email you shortly with blah 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 blah. Alright, and then button type right here. So it's currently set to view website. If you want them to be able to click there and go to your website. You also have these different options here for download or call business. And then, so if we, if it's website, put your website link here, and you can change, so we could change this just so it says only website right there. If we change it to download, say download now, and then you can put the download link right there so they can, so let's say you are doing a sign up, say you're collecting emails, and the way that you're doing it is by providing a free template or a free cheat sheet or something like that. So you say plug in your email to receive this free cheat sheet. So they plug in their email, hit submit, and then they're brought to this page, and they can click download now and download that cheat sheet right there on the spot. So I mean, this is just super effective and really cool that like you can just do this right inside of Facebook, because you used to have to send people to a landing page. So they'd click on your ad and then it would jump them over to your website to a landing page where then you would have to collect their email address. And if it was for a free cheat sheet, they'd have to input their email address on your landing page, and that would take them to another page which then they could download. This just does it all right inside of Facebook, so your customers or potential customers don't ever have to leave. It's just super easy and simple for them to fill stuff out, download a cheat sheet if that's what's going on, etc. So once you have all that filled out, just click finish. It's going to require a link. Alright, privacypolicy.com is what we're going to use. Click finish. Alright, then we've completely created our lead form there, and now we click confirm, and now this lead form will be advertised to the people that we selected in our targeting. And that's how to set up lead forms and do super effective lead generation on Facebook.
I can tell by the hustle, I can tell by the blood, I can tell by the glisten. A child can't understand. I used to see you like a stranger, but now I'm